akokwa a ofi me papa na me pa ye nkoko ntimi nim koko ho yifa
okay
otu nkusua ne gu ho a bebrebe a ono akokwa na wakobutu nkusua ne so obutu nkusua ne so obetimi abutu so 7 days 2 weeks no on sorry enko toilet yes na osore no ojane na ya obonse area ho nyina na ho nyina sai akoko na obutu nkusua ne so no SOMPA na ni enhu de wokosua num but when him say there is some life that will come out after the 21 days
what na no sweet there we your life coach nti mema obi a wo tie because SOMPA make we say wo tie SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country dwumadie wonu aba akosua goabo agimeti mama professor Kobla Abochie na ne papa na etwetwe nkomo na ayabi afo Jnana na we die gina so obi tie o sa brei na yenyusu sa point ewi a yeto ayenkomo no so na bemu obu na mistake bi a wo yenti enema bi esisi no on life mu a ye ne say wuwu kura nkeye obi na recently me tie obi story I was say na yire no in Nigeria ni yire Jnana be ya public omu di so ko share dem ka denka or committee suicide because of that divorce no because na busua no obi anya bibi sa da ni mo nyam obusua nim no akwaware obi o celebrity na aware na Jnana ne number bia na busua na say wagu omu din ho fi ni ade na ye wonkrofo bi ho omu tie omu ye mistakes bebre they are still dwelling in the past and they think say there is no future ahead ontimi mpem konanim ade afuto na wode ba ma obi a waye bibi ono agitum sa ade we die sabio sabre na magimi sabre na menim nyansa hope bi wo ho ema obi otesa na
isa go say ade ate ani say determination ya ade are very important
okay
ma me mo example bi akokwa a ofi me papa na me pa ye nkoko ntimi nim koko ho yifa
okay
otu nkusua ne gu ho a bebrebe a ono akokwa na wakobutu nkusua ne so obutu nkusua ne so obetimi abutu so 7 days 2 weeks no on sorry enko toilet yes na osore no ojane na ya obonse area ho nyina na ho nyina sai akoko na obutu nkusua ne so no SOMPA na ni enhu de wokosua num but when him say there is some life that will come out after the 21 days
wow
nti obutu ho de nan begene ekombede no sukombede no obebe so obejane nan ba owogidie bi say there is something in this round thing I be babontin a life so that kind of determination onyane persistence in it and truly after 21 days life comes out from the shell
wow
and adio kosua na ho ye de nen
yeah
onim de wom but owogidie bi say obutu so no nko ade something
when it that so be
see the tennis abrabo mu no they say wuntimu entwen committee we as mistakes nyina and say bosu hu nyansa and until you hear other people mistake na e dey hu at times no wo mistake na why no e tu obi fo so even though it might not be the best thing for you when you say eto na won hu nyansa na say abet down on you no other people will learn from your mistake and they will not encounter that that alone is a blessing for you
wow
hwade ugina ka kwan ho na wanim ho na obi twa kwan na ka bo na hwe ho tim na nipa wu a from that day onwards biribia na obegina ka kwan ho se wu twa ka kwan mu no
yeah
sa sin na hu
ye no aya adesua ma
it will play in your mind
life is a mystery
so for nature to teach you say who twa ka kwan mu a
yeah hwe no
pay attention no
obi be sacrifice
you have to die for you to learn that so when you go through any mistake when you say 1 and 1 to 2 no may you make sure you don't repeat that mistake again but when you say other people will learn from that mistake
okay
you want to say na remember obamu
okay
and you're not the first person to commit mistakes ko bible num asofa kesefo prophet kesefo ye do mo ye
David munyina
commit mistake
for be say kunu kan
yes big mistake and later no realize ye no they repented and they moved on
ampa
share abrabon said ye tie no na me ni obi edi nkomo ofri adwuma mu a oba fie ena ne yire fie ne phone e wa adwuma mu wa ba o ya dru fie nti na ha no traffic o kwa mu ena ayi chize ne bag no security net ko fa bag ne ba nti o ja na phone no wo ne desk so waka je me fa me bag da bia me ka kire no manim de ne ko fa bag na me nya abotre na bimpa se when nya wo phone no e wo office ho e na wo driver e be ka wo ya du fe ka benya accident ewu nti huni say e nature e na save even though you mistake why say we ja wo phone na wo san drive back huni say a blessing in disguise. Can you imagine so call ye na okoko fa phone na all ba no onim de ye na Range Rover bi e be board to range na nim nyina say ne ka na nye bibia the one of me say we na to know na me sinti nipa na obo to no nipa ne gina o say o ne nko ne shop ba bi na nka omomo e he so betimi exprema na me say ma nipa no nko wa save say enyo no na be pem tu e bi kura nka atikota bi ene ba be yam to hu say o ka no say obetimi yisu can spray bi na wo de spray ho ti jai na nipa no emfa na asem ko say e bia we nya na phone no e wa adwumum
yeah
and e bi o drive yanka wo ba fie nka that time na range be pem no to na bia ye kaka wo ka nka yam no
yampa.
So what I'm saying here is that there are so many things we consider to be mistakes lessons ebi so ji won kwan na wan kasampo no ade na wo ye ye ndi o chena e bia wo nye sa mistake ni bi abrante bi ba me nchen o se obi awie ni 12,000 Ghana e wo ni mumu so ye ko buy nze di pa mi ni ne buy ndi ba
me obi bia me de 1,000
obi je na nim sei e na obi ba ko je na chi no so o ye mumu
okay
nti o ya ma na ni hand attention we not knowing so all born code no they want na chi na den
wahu
omu free o cha ya ndi be say 50 minutes or here 12,000 Ghana cedis e ko ni bofu de hu de o ya no nti o frebe no na o bita say is there anything na metimi aya ma ma ni saka ni sika ni bag na me bisa na say 12,000 no say o check na o yi free o capital ni mu a so na obetimi ya adwuma wa bra en hawa na no say under there okay metimi aye na mzi hu ni say nature is teaching you a bad lesson a very painful one but something that will save you in the future. Now me man example say can you imagine say na usika na wo account ni mu no na ye be 200,000 Ghana cedis and na omo fa kwan we so yi usika na ka be feel say nti na ya yi 12,000 or china bia na wo be momo no so obi gina wachi ya wo be
careful be ama wa disua even though it cost you something.
So even though the 12,000 is very painful there but it is saving you from somebody stealing 200,000 Ghana cedis from you
in the future.
Let me kind dia accept it when you say a mistake away ya china bi no e be boa mo watimi asave ho.
Wow.
So the question say there are many things that happen to us in life. What you say o me dey mistake be na me ye hu ni say wo dey too hofo so that people will learn from that. Nti no memo oba mu
okay
so what to ha sore na nante na ko you are not the first person to fall, you wouldn't be the last person na mum say hu ni say we no enye difficulty your opportunity it will benefit you in the future.
Nana de wo kan ye efa enema etimi sisi eche se obo ade eche ya de ana se ya adesua de ma obi na World Trade Center ebra terrorist for ye di plane ko hwehwe mu ye say ye 9/11 abrante ba ko story am o say no power sorry ye na o ko adwuma o ye adwuma World Trade Center eti ne yire e ma ni breakfast na o hye white shirt it was just so em say coffee it onum coffee no na coffee ni shegu na tade ni eti coffee ni shegu na tade mu no na esese o sesa no because on tibi aye tinted on tibi mfanko di onu kwara ni bu ofu say coffee shegu matadim so he has to remove the shirt take another shirt now or iron now they come so short time no nana that short time no a one kofro no one kotu ne ka anko no that was the time I say vunti akakra amana do na ade ne sie enti de agye ne nkwa was coffee no a coffee na ehwe egu na Kenya Airwaves and also so story omo airplane bi ekọ ehwe for mani pe wo mu nyina wi one lady only the only one na o wo take it esesa nko aboard the plane no odu ye no ye late wo pomo chow pomo amfama wo pomo mu say no o say oh I need to go to London. Almost said no, Papa. Sa plane now. Although she was sad, neura hoy, but one check 1 hour pepe and you say Kenya plane no akwa from ama the ohaw ene abinidi abanti Papa asma ho kan bia no
plane here tito India na no yi me say o ya lady be so almost on messing only 10 minutes
yeah tie no so once Baba
10 minutes per say abusi e what say Time 10 minutes.
Nibu fupa ebe hand pa.
But nature was saving her. Me catch them for said about 2 life from Biano. Just smile and accept it.
I'm saying
because you don't know tomorrow.
Nana de okay to say Bible say ade nyina mu fast da manya me. Fast da manya me. Because I mean the nim dia
you should accept to see people. My friend was say me the son of the universe.
Okay.
I know business then na o say. Na me say ade bi e beto me no. Me hu say eye.
Okay.
Whatever happens to me.
Unim say yeah.
I am the son of the universe. Whatever happens will be good for me.
Eye ma.
Even though it might not look favorable now, no. As time goes on, me who say eye ma me. And then why a mistake ya? You are not the first person to commit mistakes. When he says I will mistake in unrepeatable, name for two for. Now when he say other people learn something from it, be strong and move on. You can still become successful.
Medasipa, make it here for some mutia SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na yene nana teaching komo we for God and country na be band this name na we there ma me minim say won pe politics be brace ade but about national issues so ya be ya timu bi ya timu kwa de ne ya timu ya be be chiwura NDC ni MP mu kakra mu mienu na ya hade na na wo se ne yedi nkomo ne ya ka bibi se NPP for whether so many Baumia na beba and also many Ken beba and also many Dr. Duchum whoever omo premier no ho NDC amonyo kono so the different candidate na beba say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama answer some bibi and say ayanya constitution about ebim say entrenched there is no way say besesa no enti nya de ebetimi asesa no NDC side no ujine say obi omo de because e dia ya tete ne doso